NCERT. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Evaluate by simplification. Log 8 by log of root over 2. Let's do this. Firstly, copy down the sum. Log of 8 by log of root over 2. Now over here we have to use a formula, which is if it's log of a to the base c by log of b to the base c, it will be equal to log of a to the base b. Applying that, we get log of 8 to the base root over 2. Now 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed, in other words. Log of 2 cubed to the base root over 2. 2 is nothing but root over 2 whole squared. Then this can be written as log of root over 2 whole squared whole cube to the base root over 2. Now over here again, we know that if it's a to the power of m whole to the power of n, it will be equal to a to the power of mn. Over here also, 2 into 3, that means it should be root over 2 to the power of 6 equal to log of root over 2 whole to the power of 6 to the base root over 2. Again, over here, if it's another formula is to be used. If it's like log of a to the power of n to the base b, it will be equal to n into log of a to the base b. Then similarly over here, it should be 6 into log of root over 2 to the base root over 2. Again, we know something. If it's log of a to the base a, that is equal to 1. That's another thing we are using here. Then we get 6 into 1, because here a is root over 2. 6 into 1, which is actually 6. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. This is our next sum. Evaluate by simplification. 2 log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of a to the base 10 minus half of log of 4 to the base 10. Let's do this. Firstly, we have to copy down the sum. Log of 5 to base 10 plus log of 8 to the base 10 minus half log of 4 to the base 10. Now we have to apply quite a few formulae over here. In the first case, over here and over here, the thing which we have to apply is, if it's like n into log of a to the base b, that will be equal to log of a to the power of n to the base b. we're going to apply the exact same thing over here, which gives us log of 10, log of 5 to the power of 2, which means log of 5 squared to the base 10, plus log of 10 to the base 10, log of 8 to the base 10, minus log of 4 to the power of half to the base 10. 4 to the power of half is nothing but root over 4. Then let's simplify this. Then we get log of 25 to the base 10 plus log of 8 to the base 10 minus log of 2, because root over 4 is 2, to the base 10. Now we have to apply two more formulae over here, which are, if it's like log of A to base C plus log of B to the base C, it will be equal to log of AB, which is the product of A and B, to the base C. And if it's the same thing, log of A to the base C minus log of B to the base C, it will be equal to log of A by B to the base C. Applying this, totally we get here 1 plus and 1 minus. Then ultimately it gives us, and since all are log 10, log and the base 10, log of 25 into 8 by 2 to the base 10. This is done in a bracket. Equal to log of 200 by 2 to the base 10 equal to log of 100 to the base 10. Now it's not over here. 100 can be written as 10 squared. Then it should be equal to log of 10 squared to the base 10. And again, the reverse of this is if it's log of A to the power of n to the base b, it is equal to n into log of A to the base b, the exact reverse of this formula. Anyway, that's equal to 2 into log of 10 to the base 10. And we also know that log of A to the base A is equal to 1. So it's easily understandable. 2 into 1, that gives us 2, which is our final answer. Now we may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.